Hello students. Today we are discussing DPP number 3, chapter alkane. This DPP, this first question over here is, they are asking how many carbon atom does an alkane, it is not a cycloalkane, needed before it is capable to exist in an enantiomeric form. Enantiomeric form means it must have a chiral center atom, isn't it? Enantiomeric means it should be have two chiral at molecules, isn't it? So students, as we know, what is alkane? Alkane is CXHY. So alkane have just carbon and hydrogen. Now student, if you take a carbon atom and for this carbon atom to become a chiral center, it must be connected to 4 different ends. Now student, 4 different hand can be, one of them can be hydrogen, because in hydrocarbon we have carbon and hydrogen. Okay, the next to which this carbon atom is connected, it can be a CH3 group, isn't it? So already we have used hydrogen. Now as we need 4 different group that should be connected to the carbon atom, so already we have used a hydrogen. Now we are using a CH3 group, isn't it? Now the third group may be C2H5. C2H5. And the third group, it may be connected is C3H7. So now students, as these 3 hands have different number of carbon atom, so they are definitely they are different, and this carbon will become what? A chiral center. And now it will exist in 2 enantiomeric form. So student, can you count the number of carbon atom required to make it enantiomeric form? So 3 over here, 2 over here, 1 over here, and another carbon over here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 carbon atom is minimum, 7 carbon atom is required if you want to make it what? If you want to make it a chiral compound. So the answer over here is what? The answer over here is D. Okay, now let's move to next question, and the next question over here is this one. Okay, now the question over here they are asking is, among the following free radical bromination reactions, select those in which 2-degree halide is the major product. Okay, so student, before that, you know, in the case of bromination, bromination is highly selective, isn't it? A reactivity factor for 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree is what? 1:82:1600. तो हमने ये देखा है कि 3 डिग्री के लिए the reactivity or selectivity factor is very high. So whenever 3 degree carbon is available, it will bromine will go for 3 degree. So student, in the case of P, if you see, all carbon are what? Secondary. So हर जगह पे bromination जो major product बनेगा वो secondary carbon पे ही होगा. So P is correct. Now in the case of Q, if you see, we have 3 degree, and definitely अगर 3 degree carbon है, so bromine will come and attack over here. So definitely this is wrong. So P के case में we have secondary halide as the major product, but Q के case में we don't have. Now again in the case of R, if you see, free radical benzylic position पे it will be very stable, isn't it? Benzylic position पे it will be very stable. So bromine will come and attack at this place. So even secondary R is correct. Now again in the case of S, students, again we have 3 degree, so bromine will come and attack over here. So For the S, secondary is not the major product. Now if we'll go for T, again here we have 3 degree carbon atom, and bromine will prefer to attack on 3 degree to form the major product. And in the case of D, T के बाद you have U. So in the case of U, you have just primary and secondary, so it will attack on secondary. So U is correct, R is correct, and P is correct. So do you have option? Option B is correct. Okay. Now let's move to question number 3. So A is there, and it is going for chlorination, and they are asking to have monochlorination product. Monochloro product. What we should have to maximum yield of monochloro product in the above reaction, what we need? We have already seen this should be in excess. If we'll take in excess, it will stop at the very first stage. So A is the correct answer. Now let's go for question number 4. So bromination, the major product of the reaction is, we have CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3, and bromination students आप करवा रहे. So in the major product, it will attack on secondary carbon atom. अब जब secondary carbon atom पे students it will attack, so यहाँ पर this will be a chiral center, and you will get 2 different product, and these 2 product will be what? They will be racemic mixture. Now let's go for question number 5. So they are asking free radical chlorination of methane में which are chain propagation step. तो student we know कि पहले chlorine breaks to give you a free radical. This is chain initiation step. This is chain initiation step. And the second step is chain propagation. One Cl dot is there. It will attack on CH4 to generate CH3 dot plus HCl. And then CH3 dot will attack on Cl2 to give CH3Cl plus Cl dot. And this Cl dot will carry out the first reaction, and the first will carry out the second reaction, and this reaction propagate. So these are the 2 steps which are called as chain propagation steps. So find out आपको ये कहाँ दिख रहा है. So third one is there, and then fifth one is there. So 3 and 5 is correct option. So answer C is your correct answer, isn't it? Now let's move to question number 6. In monobromination product, number of possible product excluding stereoisomers. Okay, तो excluding stereoisomers means students what you have to do is आपको केवल position isomers निकालने. So bromination can take place at this carbon atom. Bromination can take place at this carbon atom. Bromination can take place at this carbon atom. Bromination can take place at this carbon atom, and bromination can take place at this carbon atom. Now students, among all this, if you see all are chain isomers, so how many structures you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's move to question number 7. Question number 6 is done. Let's move to question number 7. 7 में they are asking that bromine will abstract which hydrogen most readily. So we know कि bromine will abstract that hydrogen which is 3 degree. It is highly selective for 3 degree. So students, we have over here, this is primary, this HD is secondary, this HB is secondary, and HA over here is 3 degree. So it will abstract HA. Okay, so answer option over here is A, option is correct. Now let's move for question number 8. Arrange the following compound in decreasing order of heat of combustion. So students, we have seen HOC is inversely proportional to stability if number of carbon atom is same. So if you see over here, we have same 7 number of carbon atom, over here again we have same 7 number of carbon atom, and over here again same number 7 number of carbon atom. So stability and HOC will be inversely proportional. And student, over here if you talk about stability, so stability will depends on what, like I can say 3 is more than 2 more than 1 due to angle strain. So HOC क्या हो जाएगा, HOC is 1 greater than 2 greater than 3. So 1 greater than 2 greater than 3. So D is the correct option. Now this is the last second last question, number 9. So arrange the hydrogen A, B, C, D in decreasing order of their reactivity toward chlorination. So students, already molecule में एक फ्लोरीन जुड़ा हुआ है, and अगर already एक फ्लोरीन जुड़ा हुआ है, so definitely यहाँ पर if free radical will be generated, it will pull it and it will make it highly unstable, isn't it? Isn't it? अब यहाँ पर it will be stable as compared to this. This will be more stable, and यहाँ पर this is primary. So definitely if I will call it as A, B, C and D, so I will say कि B की probability abstract करने की ज़्यादा होगी. Then as C is secondary, तो C की probability ज़्यादा होगी, फिर A की होगी, and at last you will be having D. Is it clear? So B, C, A and D, so C is the correct option. Clear? Now let's go for question number 10. Question number 10 is you have cyclopentane, Cl2 is in excess. How many dichloro product are formed in the above reaction including stereoisomers? तो स्टूडेंट्स, डाइक्लोरो प्रोडक्ट मीन्स व्हाट, आपके पास दो दो क्लोरीन जुड़े रहेंगे. सो बोथ द क्लोरीन कैन कम ऑन सेम कार्बन और it can be on different carbon, isn't it? So how many different possible positional isomers are there? So these are the three different positional isomers you will be getting. Clear है? These are the three. अब student, we have to include stereoisomers. तो अगर stereoisomers की बात करें, so geometrical and optical both. तो students यहाँ पर geometrical if you see, you will get two geometrical, isn't it? Cis and trans. Clear है? Cis and trans. Even आप ऐसे भी कर सकते students कि in this case if you see there is a plane of symmetry, isn't it? There is a plane of symmetry. So plane of symmetry will be there when they are on the same side. But if they are on opposite side, there is no plane of symmetry. Clear है? So for cis there is only one form. अब इसका इनेंशियोमर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा, बट इसका एक इनेंशियोमर फॉर्म एग्जिस्ट करेगा. सो फॉर दिस यू विल बी हैविंग 2. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स यू विल बी गेटिंग फॉर दिस विल बी 3. सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स, यहां पर भी वी हैव a plane of symmetry and we have two chiral centers. So can we say even in this case we will be having 3 isomers that are possible. So total number of isomers over here is 7. So C is the correct answer. So we are done with the all DPPs of alkane. Definitely I will give you few more DPPs on alkane and we will discuss that. Okay, thank you very much.